What's going on, world? It's your boy Phenom. I need to borrow a minute of y'all time right quick so I can get some shit off my mind if y'all don't mind. Alright, listen, y'all. Showing all this love left me exposed. Niggas that I don't know want to fill me with hoes. Ain't that shit crazy? Where people put you in situations where you blind so you gotta clutch your nine just to ease your mind? See, they don't understand I'm sacrificing everything I'm working hard for. Then I ask myself, what the fuck I'm showing love for? See, I can dish it out, but can't get it back. And all this time we wasting, we won't get it back. So when you look yourself in the mirror, do you accept what's looking back? Maybe you don't, because you ain't sacrificing shit. So when it's all said and done, you should ask yourself, did I just come along for the ride? And if you did, then the ride ends right now. I'm so close to my dreams, I can feel it now. So all that bullshit, y'all can kill it now. See, I woke up this morning on the wrong side of the bed. Too many crazy thoughts running through my head. Lord, can you please bring me peace? Because if I react on my thoughts, it's going to be war like the Middle East. Looking in my kids' eyes, I fucking smile. I want their childhood to be better than mine. That's why I work a stressful-ass job, and it's testing every patient that I got. And things in my past coming back to hunt me down, but I can take a punch, so I ain't falling down. They taking shots at me like I ain't shooting back. Where they do that at? Can y'all please tell me where they do that at? I'm so phenomenal and loyal to my people. That's why me and you can never be equal. Trouble seems to follow me everywhere I go. Holding on to my past, just trying to let it go. But like I said, man, it's just a couple thoughts. That's all the time I needed, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, comment, let me know what y'all think, man. It's your boy Phenom. Sacrifice, man, real life shit.